Hello, kids! It's a fantastic day for second graders. I'm Teacher Lance, your English teacher in grade 2. Today, we will discuss the high-frequency words using CVC pattern. High-frequency words for kids using CVC pattern. For our learning competency, spell high-frequency words with short A, E, I, O, and U sound in CVC pattern. So what is high-frequency words? Are often referred to as sight words, a term that usually reflects the practice of learning the words through memorization. What is a CVC word? A CVC word is a word that is made up of a C for a consonant, V vowel, and C for a consonant sound. Examples of consonant letters are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. Children, repeat after me. Odd, bud, dud, had, lad, mud, pod, sad. Let's proceed to ug. Again, repeat after me. Bag, gag, lag, nag, rug, sag, tug, wug. Let's proceed to an. Ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran, tan, van. Let's move on to up. Cup, gup, lap, mup, nup, sup, top. We are now in at. But, cat, fut, hut, mutt, pot, rat, sat. We are now in id. Again, repeat after me. Bid, did, hid, kid, lead, read. Let's proceed to ig. Big, dig, fig, gig, jig, pig, rig, wig. We are now in, bin, din, fin, kin, pin, sin, tin, win. Let's proceed to ip. Dip, hip, lip, nip, rip, sip, tip, yip, zip. Let's move on to it. Bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, pit, sit, wit. Let's proceed to ug. Bug, dug, hug, jug, mug, rug, tug. We are now in un. Kindly follow me. Bun, fun, gun, none, run, sun. Let's move on to ut. But, cut, gut, hut, nut. Let's proceed to og. Dog, fog, hog, jog, log. We are now in up. Cup, hop, mop, pop, top. Let's move on to ot. Caught, dot, got, hot, jot, lot, hot, pot. Now we will be having an activity. Directions. Supply the missing letters to complete the words. We are now on the next activity. Directions. Get two objects around you and spell the word using high-frequency words with CVC pattern. Write the word in a sheet of paper. We are now on the last activity. Write it, say it. Directions. Write the correct word as indicated in the picture.